Okay, so he's got the bee pheromones in that empty hive. And there's the bees.
Right now they've swarmed and they're waiting for the scout bees to tell them whether it's a good place.
Interesting. Okay, so now he has this vacuum type thing. I think it's just a shop vac that he's altered. He called it his bee vac. And he's going to use a long pole connected to it to try to suction the bees up and put them in a hive. Interested to see this, but I'm a little freaked out at the same time. Hopefully all goes well. I'm not exactly sure what he's doing now other than spraying sugar water to try to attract them to it. He says that they swarmed and they're waiting now for the scout bees to tell them where is a good place to live. And I'm saying that little box right there or right there is a fantastic place for them to live and not in my tree. Okay. We'll be back. He just lit his smoker thing, you know, the smoke to calm the bees. And because I'm thinking once he vacs them into that, they're going to be a little agitated. So we will see how it goes. Okay, he's fully suited up now and he's ready to go. And hopefully they won't come over where I'm at.
Okay, I may ask you to come over here. Stacy, I may ask you to come over here and turn this dial up or down some. Did you hear me?
Here we go. No one's going to be able to see you anyway. Uh-oh. Technical difficulty. It's on the ground, Stacy, the dial. The dial's on the ground on the cord. Away from the base, over here behind, no. Stacy, look at me. Over there on the ground by the brick. Oh my gosh. It's working. They're being sucked into that. And it looks like a good portion of them are trying to attack the end. I wish I could get a better view, but I just think it's going to distort. I've had to brighten this up so much because the tree is silhouetted by the sky. Oh my gosh, this, oh, that was bad. A big clump just fell, and now they're swarming him. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Okay, apparently vacuuming up bees is a slow process.
It's in my hair though. I don't want it in my hair.
It is a benefit to live next door to someone who keeps bees. He's got a large portion of them backed up now, but whew, this is like intense. The crazy thing is when the clumps fall, they go right down, and then at the last second the bees disperse from their clump. It's pretty crazy. Oh, his pole is just so hard to control. It's the long PVC pipe, so you know it's really flexy. There we go. I lost my place. There's the pole. There it is. just so you can see how precarious this really is. It's not that first branch you're seeing, it's the second branch up is where the bees are, and it's actually really high. It's just that let's see, this branch and this branch are closer. That third branch where the bees are, it's actually further away and it's a lot higher up. I don't know how many more of them he'll be able to get.
I didn't sign up for this.
Clumps of bees.